Hey everybody, welcome to Bad Wrench Automotive. Okay, so you guys want to do a little bit of customizing to your vehicle. Everybody does. And one way you can do that is by putting different interior lights in. And to change these, each vehicle is different. We're going to cover on a Silverado. So this would be the 2013 Silverado. This goes pretty much, I believe, 07 to 2013. 2014 was a half-year model. They did a kind of a split there. So you may, as long as you have that body style year, this will be what you need to know. There are two tools that you could use for this job. One of them being a 90-degree pick tool, the other one being a flat screwdriver. And what you're going to do is you're going to come in to the lens here and pop this cover loose. It's going to take a bit for this to... So, just pop that loose like this. And this lens would now fall out. Also, if you get bugs and debris in here, this is a quick way to get in here and clean this out. But flat screwdriver right here, there's an opening in the lens. It's kind of hard to see with the LEDs. There it goes, it's dying down. Okay, so there's a little slit right here in this lens. And this is where you put the screwdriver in and you can pop that lens out. On the front one, you can either come from the back here or the front and just pop this cover loose. Be careful, these plastic tabs are very weak and you can't put a lot of pressure to them. Once you've pulled the bulbs, now this will have stock incandescents, and if you're putting LEDs in, okay, if you're putting LEDs in, they're right there. You can wiggle them out with that same flat screwdriver on the back side here. Be careful not to bang that screwdriver from prong to prong. You could accidentally touch it and cause it to arc out. So be careful with that. And then these are a 41 millimeter bulb. You can buy these on Amazon. They're vehicle specific, so you can plug in your vehicle, your make and model, and it'll give you the right bulbs. I will be covering the LEDs on that one in the future. You guys seen that when I did the debut video, and it really did look amazing after it was done. So this is a really nice upgrade to do. Plus, you do want to go with the right bulbs. You don't want ones that are too dim, and you don't want ones that are just crazy, crazy bright. Sometimes it's nice to upgrade from the incandescent just to a normal LED so you have more light at night when you're trying to find things in the vehicle. Other times you might want something that's just a little different, so you put colored ones in. I did the colored ones in my two vehicles because it matches the vehicle and it looks nice. I did have to upgrade the bulb style LED to something a little bit more powerful. So make sure that you do your homework and make sure you get the ones that are really bright. Usually the ones with the heat sink on the back are going to be a little bit brighter than the ones with no heat sink. So just a little heads up tip for you when you're ordering those online. But guys, this is how you would change your interior lights on your 07 to 2013 Chevy Silverado. Guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos. And I'll see you on the next one.